Good morning students. How are you all? I hope that you all are safe and healthy in your homes and you all are doing your studies well. Right students? So students, today we are going to learn a new topic, a new concept. Are you all ready to learn a new topic? Shall we start? Okay, let's start. Do you know what is our topic name? Our today's topic name is top and bottom. What's the topic name? T-O-P, top, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Okay, let's understand the meaning first of all. Top means ऊपर and bottom means नीचे. Okay, top and bottom. Students, to understand this topic, we will take help of some pictures and some objects. Okay, let's start. Here you can see some pictures on the screen. Can you tell me which picture is this? This is a school bus. What is this? This is a school bus. Now we will understand what's the meaning of top and bottom. Here you can see that we have a ball also and we have a girl's picture as well. So now what's the top and what's the bottom? Here we can see that this ball is at the top of the bus. This ball is at the top of the bus because right now this is at the top of the bus, and this girl is standing at the bottom of the bus. Where girl is standing? Girl is standing at the bottom of the bus. Okay students, this ball is at the top and the girl is at the bottom. This is a bus and the ball is at the top and girl is at the bottom. Let's take one more example. Here you can see that I have taken a picture of a tree, a kite and a ball. We have total 3 pictures with us: kite, tree and ball. Now I have already mentioned that which object is at the top and which object is at the bottom. So here you can see this kite is at the top of the tree. This kite is at the top of the tree and this ball is at the bottom of the tree, right? At the bottom, and this is at the top of the tree. Okay, now if I will change the position of these 2 objects, now kite is at the bottom and ball is at the top. Ball is at the top and kite is at the bottom. Again you can see that ball is at the bottom and kite is at the top of the tree. Okay, tree के top पे है and this ball is at the bottom of the tree. Got it students? Let's take one more example. Here we have taken some pictures. Can you tell me what are these? These all are butterflies. What are these? These all are butterflies. Very beautiful, colorful butterflies. Okay students? Now you have to tell me that which butterfly is at the top and which butterfly is at the bottom. So here you can mention that this butterfly first one is at the top and this one is at the bottom because this butterfly is on last number and this is on the first number. Got it? So this is at the top and this is at the bottom. Okay students, are you getting my point? Okay, done. Let's take one more example. This is our next example. In this example you can see that we have a hut. Okay, we have a ball and we have a sparrow, a very cute sparrow, right? So now what is at the top and what is at the bottom? So students, you will answer that, ma'am, the sparrow is at the top of the hut and the ball is at the bottom of the hut, right students? This sparrow is at the top and this ball is at the bottom of the hut, right students? I hope that you are getting this concept. Let's take one more example. What you can see on the screen now, you can see that we have a picture of 3 snakes. We have a picture of 3 snakes. How many snakes? 3 snakes. Now you tell me that which snake is at the top and which snake is at the bottom. I have already mentioned here, right? So this snake is at the top and this snake, the longest one, is at the bottom. This snake is at the bottom and this smallest snake is at the top, right? Let's take one more example to understand this concept more better way. So what's on the screen now? Can you tell me? You can say that, ma'am, we have a moon on the screen, we have many colorful stars, right? And we have a yellow sheet with us, right? Now you have to tell me that which thing is at the top and which thing is at the bottom. Can you tell me? I have two stickers with me, okay? It's written top and it's written bottom. So tell me where I have to place this top and where I have to place at bottom. So this moon is at the top and these stars are at the bottom of the paper, okay? This moon is at the top of the paper and this all stars, these all are stars and these all are at the bottom of the paper, okay students? Got it everyone? I hope that you all are aware of the concept top and bottom now. I hope that everybody got it now. You can also practice this concept by taking the examples of your daily life. Thank you students and thank you parents.